Disasters like floods and earthquakes can cause millions of dollars in property damage. That's why smart property owners mitigate that risk with insurance. But insurers face their own set of challenges in covering natural disasters. IBA recently chatted with Michael Brown of Golden Bear Insurance Company about the ups and downs of disaster insurance and what the future may hold for the space.
Well, any catastrophic event is a big challenge for insurance. We base what we do on what they call the ideally insurable risk, and one of the components of that is that it's not catastrophic. So the sheer scope of the events, you get a bunch of property involved in the same loss where from a traditional property loss, a building might burn, perhaps the buildings around it are damaged, but the whole block, the whole community isn't damaged at the same time. Earthquake and flood are very different. They're going to do damage to an enormous segment of the population all at once. It makes it really challenging to plan for and to insure because, of course, insurance companies only have so much money available to pay losses, so it's easy to get into an area of concern where you'd worry, are we taking on too much risk in one particular geographic area? It requires a lot of monitoring. In 2017, we've seen a significant increase in interest in flood insurance. California, particularly Northern California, got somewhere around 200% of the normal rainfall, which coupled with some concerns about infrastructure, levees and dams, and got a lot of people interested in flood insurance who had never been customers before. There's always a significant level of interest in earthquake insurance, although the cost for many homeowners is prohibitively high. So people who feel like they're outside of the immediate fault zones don't tend to buy. The take-up rate last I saw was around 12 or 13% statewide. On the commercial side, it's a little bit higher. Most businesses have a little more money to work with for insurance. It's a budget item, so they'll set aside money even in a lean year to protect themselves.